What is your plan and why do you do it, man? I don't know why I pursue it.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is on this MILK1422, I think, inspired makeup. I will insert the picture like right here. I love glowy and dewy like makeup looks because I'm dry skin, so I always like to look not dry, you know, something different. Like I have a bunch of highlighter all around. I never do like smoky liner. Everything is so like it's so you know what to do if you want to see how I did this look. Okay, so here I'm using a bar of soap and this spoolie. This is how I've been doing my eyebrows. So to you it might look weird, but to me I really been digging these brows. If you noticed, in my last video, I mean not in my last videos, but like my last makeup looks, I really been doing my eyebrows different, and this is what I've been doing. The only difference here is that I'm not gonna fill them in. I'm just going to like brush them up and leave them like this because that's what the look is like on the picture. Like look at those brows, they look so good to me. Then I'm just going to prime my face because if you're planning on having a glowy and dewy base, you have to be really moisturized. Here I'm just priming my eyes and I'm cleaning under my eyebrows because I didn't want to intervene with the shape and all. And just look at them brows, girl, like literally like I can't, like they look so good to me. Anyways, to start with the smoky liner, I'm using a black liner and then I'm using that shade from the Dark Magic palette, and I'm just going to start smoking everything out. You're gonna see the shadows that I'm applying. Really here I'm just trying to smoke everything out. It's nothing really special to it. After that, I just finished smoking the liner and I added some lashes. I move into my complexion and here I'm using the Pro Glow foundation because, you know, glow, pro glow. So I'm trying to be dewy. So what do you use? A glowy foundation. In case you didn't know, now you know. And there's nothing really special about this. Just blending it out. I'm using these Sephora drops. If you want to take it another step further and make yourself look more glowy, adding more glowy products could help. To set, I only used the Airspun in my under eyes and my cheek area so I can contour later on. Okay, so here comes the part I'm using Forever Young from the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero palette, highlighting, whatever. And this is where you go ham with the highlighter. Like, when I say ham, if you add 1 layer, 2 layers of highlighter, I'm talking about 5, 6 layers. I added a lot of highlighter and I added that like everywhere. Like you're gonna see it right there. I added it on my forehead, everywhere. You see it right there. For lips, this is what I'm doing. I'm using this concealer from this palette. My friend showed me this hack. Shout out to you, girl. She tells me to line my lips like with the dark color, and it really creates like a nice effect, like it does. And I'm just like outlining, like if you were to outline with a brown liner, but I don't really like the brown liner, so this is what I use.
Get off of me, devil, do get off of me. Take me on the shops, yeah. All this shit he offered me, get off of me. Yeah, devil, do get off of me. Take me on the shops, all this shit she offered me. I don't gotta worry, got this block on my hip, yeah. Bitch, I ball like curry, all this sauce that I drug, yeah. Bitch, I'm out the lean, all this walk that I sell, yeah. Bitch, I'm on codeine, all these holding I got, yeah. And I don't got no heart, no. And I don't got no heart.
So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.